In this video, let's learn how to do fund transfer on the Sharekhan app using UPI. So once you log in, simply click on the hamburger menu as shown in the video. Click on Transfer Funds and then Add Funds. After that, type in the amount you wish to transfer from your bank account to your trading account. As you can see, we've selected our bank account and the segment, and the mode which we have selected over here is UPI. Please note that in order to transfer funds via UPI, the UPI ID has to be linked with the bank account registered with Sharekhan. After that, enter your UPI ID and simply click on Move Cash. After you click on the Submit button, you will further receive a UPI mandate on your UPI application. All you need to do is click on the Approve button followed by the Confirm button. And after you press on Confirm, you will be asked to enter your 4-digit UPI PIN. And that's it, your amount will be transferred successfully from your bank account to your trading account. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.